Okay, so we have a pretty big unboxing today. So this is one of the biggest I have ever unboxed. Let's open it up. Okay, so look like our unboxing is not complete yet. Actually, I was not expecting to include this box. Okay, let's open it up more then. Okay. So yes. Okay, so this is nothing but 1 kilogram version of 2021 ox coin from the Perth Mint. So I have shown the 1 ounce one in the last video. Yeah, the same one, just 1 kilogram. And this is my first 1 kilogram coin ever. And you can actually feel the thickness, you can feel the weight. It's very nice. And main advantage of this 1 kilogram is you can see the details very clearly. Look at the thickness. And they have also ordered one nice capsule. And these new ones are very difficult to open. I didn't open also. Let's keep it like that. Yeah, and coin here. That's nice. Look at the size difference. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty significant difference, of course. I think everything else is pretty similar. I cannot find any difference at all. So one thing I noticed is this, what it's here is just scale up version. They have not added any details here. I mean, since they have got more area, they should have added more, let's say, this tree details, more details here. No, but this is just a scale up version, but still this looks very nice. Okay, nothing more actually to say. One point I like to share is I noticed premium of this coin is when I brought it was lower than similar weight for this 1 ounce coins. So yeah, but it changes a lot. But when I brought that, this one was very less premium compared to this 1 ounce coins. Okay, so thank you everyone for watching this. Let me know what kind of coins you like to see. Something new or something special. I will try to showcase. And thank you. See you next time.